Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Representative Stella Kimbo of the 2nd District of Marikina City to sponsor the measure.
The amiable Congresswoman is once again recognized, representing the city of Marikina. You may proceed.
Salamat, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sa palagay ko ay oras na magbigay halaga sa economic contribution ng ating mga seniors. This bill seeks to render eligibility for a social pension as mandatory for all Filipino senior citizens, expanding the provisions of the existing RA number 9994, also known as the Expanded Senior Citizens Act. Uulitin ko po, ibig sabihin, matik na ang pagiging kasapi sa social pension. Basta edad 60. May SSS pension man o wala, may GSIS pension man o wala, kasama na po.
With 232 members voting in affirmative, 0 in negative, and 0 abstentions, House Bill number 10423 is hereby approved on third and final reading. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Vice Chairman Stella Luz A. Kimbo, who played a very vital role for this third reading. And matatanda ating mahalin.
God bless us all.